Downer is the leading provider of infrastructure services in Australia and New Zealand. For 150 years, we've been solving problems and making the extraordinary run smoothly every day. We take care of the big things and the little ones. We give our time, attention, and expertise, but it doesn't stop there. Our people give even more. Downer Giving is how we give back, enabling communities to thrive. Down to You is our payroll giving program, where employees can donate to our charity partners in Australia, with Downer matching their contributions. Through our community fund, Downer Donate, we support local activities and charities nominated by our people, donating over $200,000 to causes every year. Our partnerships provide support for community resilience and local organisations. We are proud to partner with Beyond Blue in Australia and the Mental Health Foundation in New Zealand. Our employees volunteer their time to causes close to their heart, making a real impact where they live. Giving back is in our DNA. It always has been. That's why we own it. We do it. We are the Downer difference.